Welcome to Canada Kitchen's assembly video series. In this video, we will assemble a sink-based cabinet. Recommended tools include wood glue, drill, nailer, and rubber mallet. Open the A and B boxes for your cabinet. The A box will include the front-facing parts of the cabinet, the doors, drawer fronts, and face frame, while the B box will contain the cabinet box panels, drawer boxes, shelves, and hardware. Cabinets with sides that are visible or exposed may require the side panel to be replaced with a colored panel matching the door and face frame. Review your layout and double-check the colored panel is needed and on the correct side. Step 1. Insert side panels into the face frame. Place the face frame upside down with the small drawer openings at the bottom. Align the dovetail joint of the panel with the matching groove of the frame. Slide the panel down until the edges are inside the grooves and are aligned. Then repeat for the other side panel. Step 2. Insert the cabinet floor. Place the cabinet floor into the grooves of the side panels. Slide forward until it fits inside the grooves of the face frame. Next, we will install the metal bracket that will secure the cabinet floor to the face frame. When placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill to avoid damaging the frame. Be careful not to drill too deep or too large a hole. Secure the bracket to the face frame and cabinet floor using 5 screws provided. Step 3. Attach the back panel. Place the groove inside the back panel onto the cabinet floor. Slide the back panel into the groove of the side panel. Rotate the back panel in and repeat for the other side. Nail the side panel to the back panel, placing 6 to 8 inches apart. Take good aim and avoid placing your nails at an angle. Repeat for the other side panel. Step 4. Installing the toe kick. Place the toe kick as shown with the long edge facing up or toward the base of the cabinet. Nail into the side panels using 2 nails per side. Step 5. Installing the bottom back corner brackets. Hold the 2-piece bracket into the inside of the corner. Attach the flat bracket to the side panel with 2 screws at the top and bottom. Lock the bracket with the last center screw through both bracket pieces. Repeat for the other back corner. Step 6. Secure the back panel. Screw the 2 black screws into the pre-drilled holes to secure the back panel to the cabinet floor. Turn the cabinet over, placing it right side up. Step 7. Install top corner bracket. Install 90-degree metal brackets at each corner at the top of the cabinet. Remember, when placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill. Step 8. Installing door hinges. Please note, cabinets are typically positioned and secured before attaching the hinges, doors, and handles. This makes the cabinet lighter and easier to handle during installation. Installing door hinges. Attach the hinges using 1 screw per hinge into the holes provided on the inside of the face frame. Close the hinge and repeat for all hinges. Step 9. Install tip-out hinges. Place the hinge inside the opening aligned with the top screw hole to locate the lower screw position. Pre-drill a small hole into the frame for the lower screw to avoid damaging the frame. Repeat for the other sides. Screw the tip-out hinges into place with the small, flat hinge plate facing out. You will need to open the hinge to access the lower screw position. Repeat for the other sides. Step 10. Attach the doors. Place the doors onto the hinges by inserting the hinges into the round slots inside the door. Slowly open the door. Place one screw in the top and bottom hinges to hold the door. Then, place one more screw into each hinge to secure the door. Repeat for the other door. Step 11. Attach tip-out drawer fronts. Hold the tip-out drawer to the frame, lining up the screw holes with the holes on the small hinge plate. Screw the tip-out drawer on the small hinge plate using 2 screws per hinge. Test the hinge. Repeat for the other side. Step 12. Attach trays to the tip-out drawer. Place 2 screws into the holes at the back of the tip-out drawer. Do not fully tighten. Hang the tray on the screws and slide down. Tighten the screw just enough to hold it into place. Make sure you don't over-tighten. Repeat for the other side. Step 13. Place rubber bumpers. Attach the rubber stoppers at each corner of the inside of both tip-out drawers and the inside, top, and bottom corners of the doors. And that's it! Your cabinet is complete. You have assembled a sink-based cabinet. Visit our website or YouTube page for more cabinet assembly videos.